So when you create a new layer inside of GIMP, you get to change the layer settings. So to access the layer settings, I'm going to go around and click on the create new layer button right here on the layer section. And here you can see some settings right here. So on the top, you can see the layer name. So you can go around and name the layer whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say tube1. Then you can choose a color tag right here, just like this, and choose anything that you want. Choose a color tag that you wish that you want to assign to the layer. Then you get the blending modes right here that you can select over here, and blending mode is something that we're going to discuss in upcoming videos. Then you got the blend space as well. And then you got the composite space where you can go around and select the RGB linear or perpetual color space right here. Then you got the composition mode over here as well, just like this. And then you got the opacity level. So you can set the opacity of the layer according to how you want, and even change out the layer within height. So I'm just going to go around and say 400 by 400 within height. And what happens is that the resolution of that particular layer will be set accordingly. You can also go around and set the offset of X right here and select the transparency of the layer as well. Let me just go around and select out white so that it fills it up with white background. And then you got the switches right here, which allows you to lock the pixels, or lock in position and size, and lock the alpha and so forth, as you can see. So all of the layer properties right here can be set beforehand, as you can see right here. Then you can press OK, and this is what you have. And since we select 400 by 400 pixels, you can see that that is how it has been created. And now you can go around and move it, and you can see that it locked into top place right here, and it has been marked in orange, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the layer settings inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.